Hi, hello. Welcome to Linguistar class. Now, I want to know if you can hear me. Yes or no? Yes, you can. What about can you see me? Yes, you can. All right, good to know. Now, my name is Teacher Anna. My name is Teacher Anna. Can you say hello, Teacher Anna? Great job. That's correct. I am Teacher Anna. What about you? What is your name? Oh, that's a great name, David. But can you complete your sentence like this? My name is David. Follow me. My name is David. Can you do it? Okay, let me hear it. My name is David. Well done, David. How old are you, David? 5 years old. Can you count from 1 to 5? Don't be shy. Come on. Teacher Anna will help you. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you are 5 years old. Now, how are you feeling, David? Are you happy like this? Or are you sad? Happy or sad? Oh, you are happy. Me too. Can you say, I am happy? Terrific. Okay, so before we start our class, I want you to welcome to my fun and interactive classroom. Look at all the fun things I have here. I have stars. I have different animals. Not just that, I have yummy foods. If you want these prizes, David, you can get them if you are listening and being active in my class. Is that clear? Okay, so are you ready? Can you say, yes, I'm ready? Yes, I'm ready. Okay, so let's go. Oh, today we will be talking about birds. Do you like birds? I like birds too. So we are going to find out if all birds can fly. Can all birds fly? We are going to find out. Look at this. What do you see? What do you see, David? Ah, animals, correct. So there are animals. Can you tell me what animal is this? What animal is that? M- a monkey, correct. Can you say it is a monkey? Good. What about this one up here? It is a tiger, correct. What about this big animal right here? What animal is that? Elephant. Good job. It is an elephant. Okay, this one. Down there. What animal is that? What do you see? It is it is a dog, correct. What about this one? It is a cat, correct. And this one, this, what animal is that? A giraffe, correct. It is a giraffe. Alright, what about this one up here? It is a bird, correct. Okay, now do you love animals, David? Do you like animals? Yes, I love animals too. Can you encircle the animals that you like? What animals do you like? Can you encircle? Oh, you like dog and okay. Okay, so you like cats and dogs. Can you say I like cats and dogs? Well done. So with that, I will give you your first star because you are terrific. Okay, so let's continue. Look at this animal. What animal do you see? What animal do you see? It is a bird, correct. Okay, so what kind of bird is it? Do you know? Do you know what bird is it? It is okay, you don't know. That's all right. So teacher Anna will tell you. So this bird is called a magpie. Can you say it 3 times? Magpie, magpie, magpie. Okay? Again, what bird is it? Can you complete your sentence? It is a magpie. Good job. Okay. Okay, so let's do it again, David. What animal is this? What animal is this? This is, can you read this one? This is a magpie. This is a magpie. Okay, correct. Okay, again, what animal do you see? Magpie, magpies. There are two magpies, okay? Magpie, magpies. Can you read this? Two magpies. Can you complete the sentence? There are two magpies. Right? Okay. Oh, earlier we saw two magpies. Now, how many magpies are there? Can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there are 4 magpies. Can you say there are 4? There are 4 magpies. Okay? Now, can you read the sentence for me? This one. Magpies are birds. Magpies are birds. Magpies are birds. Great job, David. Okay, now, do you see any magpies here? Do you see any magpies? Yes or no? Yes, there are magpies. Can you encircle all the magpies that you can find here? Okay, go, David. Go, go, encircle the magpie. Mm-hmm. Okay, are you done? Okay, so how many magpies did you find? Can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, can you say there are 5 magpies? Great job. Okay, with that, I will give you a star because you are Terrific. Okay, now, oh, do you see magpies here? Yes or no? Yes, you do. Okay, so how many magpies? One, two, three, four. So there are four magpies. Now follow me, David. Magpies are birds. Magpies are birds. Magpies are birds. Great job. What about this one? Magpies can fly. Magpies can fly. Okay, so magpies can fly. If I ask you, David, can you fly like a magpie? Yes or no? No. So you would say, no, I can't. No, I can't fly. Well done. Okay. Oh, let's continue. Look at this. Look at this animal. Is this a bird? Yes or no? Yes. And what bird is it? Is it a magpie? Yes or no? No. All right. So it's not a magpie. Can you read this one? Penguin. Penguin, penguin, penguin. Can you repeat three times? Penguin, penguin, penguin. Okay, what bird is it? It's it's a penguin. All right. So do you like penguins? No? Oh, yes. Can you say yes, I do? Good. Okay, so again, what bird is it? Can you read this? This is a penguin. This is a penguin. Good. Oh, look at this. How many penguins do you see? Can you count? One, two. Okay, so there are two penguins. Can you say there are two penguins? Good. Okay, so there is a big penguin and a small penguin, right? Which one do you like? Which penguin do you like? The big one or the small one? Oh, you like the big penguins. Can you say, I like big penguins? Well done. Because you are doing a great job, I will give you hmm, an ice cream. Yummy ice cream. That's right. Okay, let's continue. Oh gosh. There are many penguins. There are big penguins and there are small penguins. So many penguins. Can you read this sentence for me? Penguins are birds. Again, penguins are birds. That's right. Penguins are birds too. Okay, now, what bird is this? What bird is this? Is it a magpie or a penguin? It is correct. It is a penguin, but there's some missing wings right here. There's some missing wing. Now it's time to find the other wing of the penguin. Okay, so there are three wings here, right? So which one is the penguin's wing? Is this one, or the last one? Can you encircle the wing? Can you encircle? Okay, you are doing a great job. Teacher Anna is so proud of you. Okay, let's continue. Now, let's read the sentence. Okay, so this penguins are birds. Penguins are birds. Penguins are birds. Correct. This one, penguins cannot fly. Penguins cannot fly. Penguins cannot fly. Terrific. Okay, so penguins are birds, David. But here's the thing. Penguins cannot fly. But can you see this one? This bird. Again, this is a magpie. Can a magpie fly? Yes or no? Yes, it can. Magpie can fly, but penguins cannot fly. But they are both birds, right? Okay. So here you go. Let's wrap up the lesson. So magpies, can you read this? Magpies can fly. Magpies can fly. And penguins cannot fly. Can you read again? Magpies can fly. Penguins cannot fly. Do you get it? Magpies and penguins are birds, but magpies can fly. Penguins cannot fly. All right? Okay, now Teacher Anna will ask you some questions and you will answer in a complete sentences, all right? Is that okay? Okay, so first question. Can penguins fly? Can penguins fly? Can you complete your sentence? Penguins cannot fly. Very good. Fantastic. So, penguins cannot fly. Good. What about this? Are magpies birds? Can you complete the sentence? Magpies are birds. Okay, correct. So we are going to go back to our main question. Can all birds fly? David, can you answer this? Can all birds fly? In a complete sentence. Okay, so no, not, can you say, not all birds can fly. Not all birds fly. Okay. Congratulations, David. You are finished with our lesson. And as your gift, I will give you a sweet candy. Okay, so David, you got 3 stars, plus you got an ice cream and a sweet candy. Okay. See you in our next class. Goodbye. Wave like this. Bye.